Happy Monday, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new weekly vlog. As you can see I'm in my France jersey because today is the quarterfinal match between France and Morocco. I think it's Morocco. So I'm going to Tracks and Records to watch it with mommy. She's not here yet, but I'm hopeful that she will come in time so that we can get a seat. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm a little bit nervous because of how the World Cup has been going, and I just wanted to go out and watch this one in case it's the last one I watch with how the politics of the World Cup are going. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. I don't have much more to say because I have a few little stuff that I want to do before I leave the house. So I'm gonna get a move on those and I'll pick you guys back up when I am at Trackside. But let me give you guys a full outfit first. So as you guys remember, this is a jersey I bought like 2 vlogs ago, just wearing my jeans and my little Puma sneakers. So yeah, that's the outfit. I was gonna do makeup, but then I decided against it because I have no reason. I just didn't want to wear makeup. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I am. This always is it zooming? No, it's not. Bring the gimbal down. Right. So I'll talk to you guys when I am there. Oh my god, guys, we got such a good view of the screen. Yay! My dates. Oh, what? You want to move? Yeah, you can turn the chair. Let me say again. Are you want to come side of me? Yeah. I got myself some soup. Janga soup, she said it was. What is janga?
Like shrimp.
You know, some of them eat it, and sometimes I don't even consider when I eat. I just eat. I just put anything, not anything. I just very exploring or experimental with food, right?
With food. Every minute.
What you want?
Yeah, you can't walk.
So this is the thing now. While I will drink the soup, I will not eat this. This looks like a roach. Look at that. Ew. But make her drink the soup. Cheers. Cheers.
Consecutive wonderful World Cup campaigns. It seems he was walking back from offside, so didn't challenge. His callback was touched away by Talby.
Never ever shown them. I got jerk pork and sweet potato festival plantain tostones. Mommy get jerk chicken.
Qualified.
And bread and everything, yeah.
Kylian Mbappe. Very ritual for ShamDon, who just had the best as a result of which, despite all the France's greedy possession, we reached the break with a scoreline still reading. France nil, Morocco nil.
I'm afraid now. When you've done for put in it.
Draw down the man, them.
Time to see you doing that.
to see France won the match today, so they are going to the semifinals. When is the semifinals? You know, somebody check the date. I never did check that. World Cup games. Semifinals is Tuesday, July 14th. That is next week, Tuesday. We go again. Today was honestly so stressful. My heart was going boop 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 boop, and I'm just like, I genuinely don't know how men do this on a regular. Like, I could not see myself I couldn't put myself through this agony for no club football. Like, them do the UCL and the other one, them I don't know nothing about inside there, like, at all. I only know about the World Cup. So yeah, that was that. It was stressful, but I'm happy they came out on top. 2-0. So yeah, I'm going to wash my jersey and have it ready for next week Tuesday again. Should I go somewhere to watch it again? Maybe. I might. That's the on that. I'm just going to doom scroll my evening away and probably find something to watch on YouTube or Netflix and just chill. Good afternoon. It is Friday, July 10th, and I just got some packages. Did I take up the scissors? No, I did not. Hold on. I got a whopping 6 packages and I'm excited. I just cleaned my room. I just had something to eat. It's a lovely day. The sun is bright and life just feels good. I'm getting a package tomorrow. Guys, tell me why I never realized that this Sunday Love Island had done. All in my head was next week Sunday, and I was thinking, well, what are they gonna do for the next week? Like, family day come, it's only gonna be 4 of them left. What are they gonna do for one whole week? It's ending on Sunday, so tonight is gonna be the elimination, and then Sunday, and I'm getting a care package from Chilitas for my watch party, which is just me and mommy. Really, like, me and mommy been rocking it through the season and so on virtually, but yeah, that's exciting. So I'm gonna pick up that tomorrow, but I'm super duper excited for my packages. I don't remember what's in all of them, so we're gonna open them together. What's this? Oh my gosh, I ordered this phone holder tripod thing off Tik Tok shop. It says you can stick your phone anywhere. So let's see, because them people sometimes can't trust them, you know. But everybody and their mama did a stick it everywhere. The box tear up though, anyways. It's pink. Everybody thinks I'm such a pink nerd. Let's see if it works. It works! Oh my gosh! It works! Oh my god, this is so nice. This is so nice. Oh my god, that's actually so cool. Here I have, Jesus Christ. The next thing, since I'm seeing Amazon here, I only ordered one thing from Amazon, and it's some charms for my Crocs sandals. Cute! I'm gonna put them in right now. This is how I did it. Like, one of the teddy bear broke. I put the chain over here. I might just switch over here to match here, minus the teddy bear. It's alright. It's kind of cute. It's cute. Yeah, so I'll wear these more often now, because first then they just look like Crocs. Now them look girly and cutesy, and yeah. And I have leftovers, so if I want to change anything minus the teddy bear, I can. Yes. So remember last vlog I was telling you guys that I bought some GU toner pads. The thing about buying GU toner pads is you cannot buy just one, because if you use it consistently you're gonna run out. So I had to get another one, but they also came out. Ooh, the box crush up. Them fling that package here. They also came out with this new PM pads. So this is basically for targeting blemishes and breakouts and removing texture from your skin. So it's a exfoliating pad. 100 in this, 60 in this. So excited for this. Been waiting on this, that's why I didn't collect all the other packages, because I just wanted to get everything one time. It's gonna be the end of my little unboxing. I'm happy. Say hi, guys. Hi. Mommy, I brand new light, then probably not just see your last clip. Anyways.
Oh, Mar, did you hear that?
Yeah.
It's the family meeting.
Every day.
Every single day.
Every single day.
It's either it's in the early afternoon or late evening. One or the, but never in the morning. The morning too early. So I chat too much for all of that. Like we forget. we forget what ears time for out.
Wow.
But yeah.
No, well, actually, Sue knows when we are available.
Yeah, let me just say, you know what I'm going to
So I know when she can call and bust with ears is what you mean.
No, I mean, Sue knows when we have tea, like in the afternoon.
You know what true? Little mixed up one, yeah.
Well, we know when Sue have tea too, so we are going to... Well, Sue must call me still.
me just that I say, me realize that
Not me. Hello, take me out of that one day. Take me out of that one day. So I can vouch for me call too.
Because guess what?
So this is what I got. I got this Casa Chilitos bag and it says, "Hi Bombshell. You've been coupled with Chilitos for the Love Island USA Season 8 finale. It's their official Villa Care package because we know you'll definitely need some marks for the mess. Grab a pouch, have a sip, and cheers to your clients." And the front of it is just a regular Chilitos bag. But this is super cute. Casa Chilitos. And then I got 4 margaritas. Of course, it's just my mom and I. So, I don't really remember the flavors. Tell the truth, them should have write it on the pouch because I don't remember. I think one of them is sauce up. This look like the sauce up. I think this is El Wasteman. And these two, I definitely don't remember what they are. But we are locked and loaded for the finale tomorrow. Yeah. Today is the Argentina and Switzerland match at Norway and England. We'll tune into that in a few. I'm not really care too tough, but I'm going to watch the Argentina match because more than forgot them yard. Yes, more than forgot them yard. And that's how the rest of the evening looking. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello everyone. I believe the last time I spoke to you guys was before I put this hair in, and I didn't realize how many people I confused because a lot of you guys thought this was my hair and I cut it, but no, it's crochet. Like, it's crochet hair. But yeah, the hair is really good. But I woke up this morning with the nastiest headache. I literally just, and when I say just, I mean less than 30 seconds ago, took some migraine tablets. I don't struggle with migraines. Well, I've never been to the doctor and they told me that I have migraines, but sometimes I get headaches that are so bad that they're the only things that help me. So I always have migraine pills on that because I do get a lot of headaches. But I've been saying I need a massage. Like, I store stress in my shoulders and they've been really tight and tense for like the past 2 months. I did get a massage the last time I was away. Not the last time I was away, before that. And they did tell me that I am very, 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 very tense in my shoulders and I need to get another massage in 2 weeks' time, but I had to leave the next day. So I need to go and get a massage, like real bad. And I feel like my headache is kind of connected to my shoulder tension. I don't know. I don't know nothing about the body like that, but Yeah, I am going to Sumfest again this year with the red stripe. So today is Thursday, July 16th, and Sumfest is July 18th. Which is not, it's not like Sumfest. Sumfest is a taste of Sumfest, so it's only one day. Um, it's only one day. So I need to go and get an outfit for that, which is what I'm about to do now. I'm going to my favorite store in Jamaica, in Kingston, Posh by V. Like yeah. So that's where I'm going to try and get an outfit, and yeah, my head still hurt me. So I'm gonna sit down right at the window with the sun a beam outside. So I'm gonna move. I'm gonna go, me come back to know when I actually reach halfway tree.
Can't walk around with you like this and tell people say you're my friend. Turn around.
Where is the person? Okay. Hi, good day. I'm good. Okay, so I'm looking for something to wear to some place.
All my scamming ass niggas say spending that money fast. 20, 50s, 100s cash. Boy, going that go, y'all bad. Boosting bitches, where y'all at? Stuffing that shit in y'all bag. Just to flip it, pop some tag. Girl, going that go, y'all bad. Spin that shit. Spin that shit. Yeah. Spin that shit. Spin that shit. Nigga, spin that shit.
Got what I was looking for. I kind of feel like though for the option that I chose, I would need a shoe to carry it off. Not necessarily one going to be better if I'm not woman I like. Oh, there's someone just a look. No, I don't see anything. So, oh, so that is all for me. Let me know which option you guys think I went with. Good afternoon, guys. It is Sumfest Saturday. Well, a taste of Sumfest, but keep on affair to that because it's not real Sumfest, so it's a 2-day event. But it's a taste of Sumfest Saturday, and I just moisturize my hair and define the curls because I want it to dry way ahead of time so it can poof up, and I'm going to have to manually poof it up as well. But yeah, I did my clusters last night. I need to go and put on that in-ear kind of lift up. I need to fix that. I'm gonna need to go put on my press-ons. So yeah, I woke up again with a headache today. Yeah. So I'm gonna get something to eat. Not get something to eat. I'm gonna make something to eat right now, and then I'm going to do mommy's clusters, do my press-ons, and then start getting ready for the evening. You might be wondering why it's Sumfest Saturday and I'm still at home, because I'm just going to be driving to and from the Benin, especially because I have the NCB. Did I tell you guys that I have the NCB finals viewing event tomorrow? Yeah. So just I'll go this, I'll come back home, and then go that tomorrow. Packed weekend. Tonight kind of look like no sleep because I should be at the NCB viewing party by 12. So like I said, workout. And yeah, I'm gonna eat something and then checking back with him. More than likely, I'll be back when my nails are done and I'm doing my makeup. I have a headache. I have to go eat something. I'll be back. These are the nails for the weekend. One thing about me, yeah, me I gotta have a person sit on hand. This is the left hand. This is the right hand. Shein, as I always tell you guys, it's Shein. So it's currently 2:20. I'm getting picked up at 4. I'm going to start. There's this one bump right here, so like just it's not perfectly in the center, but it's just right there. And I just wish it wasn't. And I also have one right here. I know why they're there. My skin is purging. And it could have been worse, so you know, I live. But I'm going to start my makeup now because when I tell you I want to sleep real bad, but I sleep in the car. I'm packing my little bag, so all my stuff will be in there. Like my blanket and stuff, so I sleep on the way to the venue. And then I have my stuff in the car to sleep on the way back. Because I don't really know what time it's going to done. And if I get much sleep for recover for the football match tomorrow. I haven't done this in a while, but I have to remove the makeup under my eyes are a mess. I have to start over. I have to start over. I can't believe. I have to push back the drive and everything is a mess. Like, I'm actually so pissed right now, but live, love, laugh. I was basically done. But the more I look on it, the more I say, oh, this now go work for the whole night. By the time I reach a Plantation Cove, it's going to look a hot ass mess. So, alright guys, this is the outfit. Don't mind the background. This is the outfit. I jazzed it up with the accessories and stuff. And I bought this sandals because I feel like when I'm wearing something so short, I need something on my feet that are doing something. So I got this strappy gold heels, and I'm wearing my brown Tory Burch purse. And yeah, this is the look of 2026 Sumfest. I know it's similar to my last year look because of the color scheme, but I really like it. It's cute. I used some of the grippy glue to ensure that I don't have any accidents throughout the night. So yeah, right now I'm just waiting on Travis to pull up so we could head to Plantation Cove. So let's go.
You love Shabir. You remember when I never get no other woman's chicken like money.
Good. We made it. Of course, there's nobody performing right now. It's just early juggling. Mommy back there. Hi.
Thanks for me, just a little bit.
We made it.
Anybody happy to be alive? Put
But
your
I'm
right hand
hungry.
to the ear, now look
You
at the
hungry?
ground. Everybody we're happy to be alive. Put your right hand on the ear right
circle
now.
back round ears.
People.
So we got jerry chicken and breadfruit and steamed veg. Mommy got the same thing, and I got a manish water. Really and truly, there's nothing going on right now. Like, guys, jerry chicken was horrible. Absolutely disgusting. But I'm gonna refresh myself. And we're gonna head back to the Red Stripe food. It's much more empty compared to last year. I don't know if it's because it's somewhat early. It's empty.
This life in dark, how we gonna keep violent with fun? Switching up before invite I glad. Call center full of my yard. Thanks man, one more to beat ya. Little suspect, so I take this switch bank. Get the grand chapon and give card. Level, weird, we got cheap block. Not split bomb, it hits 6 months.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh man, sing a song, no man, sure.
I love you so much, Sunfest.
Country paper, 2 phone can the kid I not stop. So my bed with the dark. Chris and Peter Rolex for watch. Chill one steel for stone and sock. Designer slide with these. I'm not going to be the for the art. The high grade of the money. Jungle light and this color get bag. The style of work that's in the class and believe the kind of work that everyone. So when we want
regular day of the I think I kind of accent to me again. I look a bit older because I don't know these songs. I don't know them songs. No, you wouldn't know them, but I really don't know them. Like I don't know them. A big song this one.
So them a fight me out one time for me. You think I'm the one this one? Now stop trying. I think you come down and wait one time on the line. It's here me, I'm gonna come down and I fight. When I see me pull up down, smoke up. One time in the world.
It's the last time. If I can't tell me, I don't really know much about it. We're leaving. See you guys in the morning. Guys, we made it home. It's currently basically 5 o'clock, 4:59. May I show I'm going out of bed to get some sleep. The asthma, the clusters, then I wash my face and I just feel one full eye come off, so I just take off the next eye. I can go sleep because I have to wake up relatively. I have to wake up in a few hours. So, I talk to one when I wake up. Time is supposed to wake up. Good morning, guys. It was hell for me to wake up this morning. Like, hell. Yeah, it was hell for me to wake up this morning. But I'm up before the game starts. I'm gonna reach before the game starts. And that's all that matters, right? Right. I'm just gonna taste up my mouth with that mango before I'm gonna do my 5 minutes makeup. And Julie, of course, always I'm going to come here and mess up myself. I'm not trying to put that hurt me. I'm going to sit down and the heels that I wore last night, murder. I never know something that tear me up, so. Not literally, but put them at hurt me. Just eat this mango and then do this like a 5 minutes makeup. I did even bother like pack up my filming stuff from yesterday because I can't come break my mirror me up for so much years. Excuse you. A long time after mirror. I think this was one of my first like household purchases with my own money. And that's why I'm going to hard for let it go. Right down a bashko. I made that for fight one lady feet. Because imagine saying, you know, me go and me find it. It was only full length mirror in a bashko. I'ma go, I'ma find it. And me I walk with it and the worker will come to me and say, oh, you not prefer? I hold it for you and when you're ready, you come at the cashier, come check it out. So I say, ah, cool, because the day we had planned to walk and look for a few stuff. So now, I come back for my mirror, only to see one woman with it in her hand ready for go cash it out. I say, I. If I don't want me get rowdy in here, please to give me back my mirror. And it's like the same boy will tell me, say, I want to have the mirror for me. I take it up for the woman. I say, what kind of slap means this? But yeah. I was like, give me my mirror. This is my mirror. I was watching. She was like, oh, but I saw it here laying down. Give me my mirror, oh man. So that's the story behind this mirror. Alright, 10 minutes makeup. This pimple is pissing me off. But we move. 10-minute makeup. I go on you. I go want the blush. Where is it? Oh, I forget to put some stuff in my bag yesterday. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, hope it not broke. A taste of Sumfest was really a taste because okay, not broke. The lineup was, but in the end, in the grand scheme of things, I had an okay time. So that's that. I'm already on this. I don't really have much time for you. after much mental back and forth, I decided to change my pink top to blue. I didn't want to wear blue because Argentina is blue and white, but I'm wearing it because of France. So yesterday was the finals and France came second, and today is just a halftime show, right? So this is the outfit. It's kind of mismatched because I have on silver sneakers and I have on gold accessories, but I already know how me and the gold thing go, so we're not going to penny that. Yeah. Oh, this was the 5-minute makeup. It's not perfect, it's not even good, but that's why we have glasses. So yeah, I'm gonna head out. It looked like it's gonna rain, but thankfully where we're going is covered, so let's go watch the World Cup halftime show. You're ready to watch the halftime show after the finals yesterday? Yeah. That's what this is.
So we won with? Oh, we can't ask you, no.
Speak for truth. Speak.
Here, you know what?
A force that unites people, that turns strangers into friends, and reminds us of what we all have in common. Today, only 2 teams remain. España y Argentina.
Guys, we messed up. You know that
Simon had judged his dash off his line to perfection.
We have the grass, we have grass somewhere.
I'm here keeping up. I'm gonna like that.
Even so, they sit off Argentina. They don't go out the way to get.
Put on your Google, Zella, put on your phone. Ready?
I'm gonna buy out the game for Argentina. I'm gonna really appreciate it. I really want Spain to win, even though I don't like Spain. But them need to show me why them beat France. You know, the beat France and defend it like win.
And live responsibly. Authorized under Section 58.3 of the Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Act.
I'm thoroughly annoyed right now.
We're gonna check to Prostia.
Oh, serious? No, I do that.
We don't give a tweet half of the goal. Nevertheless, it's the best savings when the leader went on.
Yeah, but I'm not. My ear blew away.
Vice
Vice gone, but Argentina lose. I say, well, Argentina woman did the end and she just a jeer with every time Spain kick on me. I said, when Spain score, I just turn around and blow the bubbles in her face. I say, yeah, jeer me. You're too little bit of my case. But then I'm gonna get a ball, I'm gonna get a bag. And life is nice. Life is okay. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna hydrate and I'm gonna shut up for the rest of the day. And gain back my vibes. Me ain't tired, bro. Me ain't tired. Espanol. To go the bag when I was leaving, and this cute water bottle was in there. So cute, and I wish you guys could feel like it's so soft. It's almost velvety, but of course like suede, but it's not, but it's so like slick and nice. And mommy got this really, really, really nice power bank. Yeah, that's what we got in our bags. And we got a little straw tote with Visa on it. And of course the ball that I showed you guys earlier. Did I show you guys earlier? The ball with my name on it. Where is it? ShamDon. I've been home for a little minute. I'm not gonna lie, I procrastinate. I dip on my phone. But I really need to clean up my mess. When I say mess, I mean this. Plus the two light them did up. I really cannot function in a messy space. So for the most part, my room is never really like terrible. But this is like bad for me. This is really bad for me. So I have to go and fix up the place, and then it's currently 6:38. Then I go get when if I go wipe off my face, then I go start edit the video. Then I go wipe off my face, and then I go finish clean up and then come back. Peace has been restored. My room is clean. I'm doing laundry. That feels good, but this is where I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog. I'm not gonna lie, it started with football and it ended with football. And I must say, when France got kicked out, I was extremely disheartened, like to the point where people did a DM me on Instagram for rapid, like my inbox did full, and I couldn't answer nobody because I feel like me that go cry for true, like I couldn't believe it, like me did genuinely hurt. So I don't know a man do this every day. I don't know them. I not pick no Premier League club or no Europe. No. World Cup is where I will stick to every 4 years. I can only manage this every 4 years. But I'm extremely happy that Argentina didn't win. Am I a Spain fan? No, I'm not. But I'm just happy that Argentina didn't win. In my mind, it's Spain first. Spain first, England second, France third. That me I work with. Just omit those cheaters altogether. And if you know, I don't know if I said this earlier, but my beef with Argentina is very personal there. Like, that's the first set of people I experienced racism from. If you haven't and you've interacted with them, that's your experience. But my experience is that I've received racism from them. So I don't mess with them. And I've seen them be racist on many occasions that I can't support a country that doesn't support me as an individual, as a person, just because of my skin color. So yeah, not a fan of Argentina at all. But I'm happy with the outcome, being that I'm in my mind yesterday was the finals. So yeah, Sumfest was okay. I feel like the lineup could have been better, but it was okay. I'm extremely tired, my feet are hurting, so now that I've cleaned up the room, I'm gonna transfer these files and I'm gonna edit this vlog to have it up for you guys tomorrow. So yeah, I hope you guys had an eventful week. I hope you guys had a good work day, had a good Monday, and I hope you guys will continue to have a good week. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week if anything happens this week, and until then, stay safe. Toodles.